This is a German built din rail cutter for cutting din rail, steel, and aluminum, and different size profiles. Short, tall, and actually a narrow one. This one here is our premium wire duct cutter. It's a German made machine. It's I would say you call this one a premium and this would be a basic. This one's got a nicer tray, a nicer end stop. Pulling the handle, it's just a little bit smoother, just a little nicer machine to operate overall. This is an Italian one. As you can see, the tray's a little bit cheaper. The stopper is just a little less nice. It's got a knurled nut instead of a wing nut. So if you're making a lot of cuts, you probably want to go ahead and get the premium one over the basic one. If you're not doing so much, you might as well save the money. The cost difference is roughly $220. This one's $220 less than the premium one.